Lynch, and today I'm going to go over how to use a website called Poll Everywhere to make classrooms more interactive. So, Poll Everywhere allows you as an instructor to create different questions, quizzes, and allow for open communication and interface with your students. So, types of questions that you can use with Poll Everywhere are your traditional multiple choice. So provide the question with a few answers to choose. You can create a word cloud. So present an idea and see how students feel about the topic. Ask an open-ended question and answer. So allow students to send in questions that they have about your topic or answers that they have to a bigger question. You can use a clickable image. So either upload your own or use one of their already preset. If you were to use a world map, you can pull where students are from. If you want to see how students felt about a topic, if they are confused, if they're neutral, or if they understood it. Or you can use it for identification of state capitals, or again, where students are from. You can create a survey. So ask a question, state a topic, and again, ask for a multiple choice, a Q&A, a clickable image, however you want that to look. Open-ended questions can be very similar to your question and answer, or you can create a competition. And if you have a competition, this works a lot like an app called Kahoot, which I've definitely used in classrooms as a graduate student. And again, you can pick the type of question that you want, and it acts like it provides a leaderboard in between each. So the more questions you answer correct and how quick you answer the questions will provide you more points, and it will give you a winner, second place, so you can use that as either a reward system or just bragging rights for your class. And in the past, we've definitely had a lot of fun with that. So if you have a leaderboard, it'll show the top teams or individuals, and it has some fun features when you do that. Another thing that's very unique to Poll Everywhere is you can create different groups. So down here, I grouped questions that are similar in a topic. So to do that, you would just select, you would hit New Group, and you do Subset. And that way, if you were to go through all of your questions, you won't have topics that are overlapping. Another really unique feature of Poll Everywhere is that you can integrate it with PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides. So this is an example of how I integrated Poll Everywhere with Google Slides. And this is what it would look like. It just pops up as another slide. I provided my students with some directions of how to connect to Poll Everywhere first. So you can either go to the website and enter the link, or you can go to the app. And again, it'll ask for the link. You enter a name. I always said enter an appropriate name. Since the free version of Poll Everywhere is not edited, you want students to stay as appropriate as possible. Or they could even text in. And if they were to text in, it would be to a number, I believe it's 37601. And then once they were to text that, it would be Erin Lynch 422. And then they would be entered into the classroom. If you wanted to add a different question to your Poll Everywhere Google Slides, you would do New, Activity. You could pick which activity you want, so we'll do a word cloud. We will edit it, title the word cloud, how do you feel about Poll Everywhere? Save changes, and I will go on the website on my phone and show you what it looks like when students respond. So we'll go to Present to make the question active. I'm logging in on my phone on the website version. I join, I now see it, and I will say creative, interactive, innovative, and we'll even go as far to say fun. So now it builds a word cloud, and each student that answers will have a different colored text. So you know that you're not getting all responses from one student. We don't know what specific color that they're given, so it still stays anonymous, but provides them some sort of free space to answer their questions how they would want. So I highly encourage using apps like Poll Everywhere or Kahoot or Top Hat as a way to engage your students throughout a PowerPoint, make sure they're really listening, and it also breaks up the topic because we know after